Here's a 2-minute tip. Today we're going to learn every keyboard shortcut for the pen tool in Affinity Designer. The first shortcut is to press P to activate the pen tool. Once you have the pen tool out, just click once anywhere to lay down your first node. The second shortcut for you to use is to hold down Shift before you click and lay down your second node. This allows you to snap your next node in a 45 or 90 degree angle from your last one. You can also hold down Shift while clicking and dragging out a node to keep the Bezier handles in 45-degree increments. While drawing out a node, you can press and hold down the spacebar to move your node around. To give your curve a sharp corner, just start clicking and dragging out a node, and then hold down Alt or Option to convert it from a smooth node to a sharp one. You can also hold down Alt or Option and click on an existing smooth node to convert it to a sharp node. A very important shortcut is that you can hold down Command or Control to temporarily switch into the node tool, which gives you all sorts of options for adjusting your curve that we'll cover in an upcoming video. Once you're done with your curve, you can press the Escape key to finish your line and begin drawing a new one. If you'd like to learn more about the pen tool, you can check out our beginner's guide to Affinity Designer in the video description. Thanks for watching, my friends, and I'll see you in the next Affinity Revolution tutorial.